Trend Alert con Tessa Peters.
Nós estamos acostumados a mirar restaurante italiano tem uma versão tradicional. Olha, agora que tem novo que acaba de abrir suporte, e essa aqui tem spin mais trendy, contemporâneo, arriba lo qual é tendência e a comida. Pero não está para não tampouco. Não vai stop mais leu, trazendo dois chefs célebres internacional aqui na Aruba para entrenar staff maneira como está.
FNB.
Il cielo è arrivato sulla terra, cielo allega terra. Del corazón de High Rise Area el sueño de traer un concepto totalmente fresh y original en el mundo de Mediterranean Italian cuisine, ripa nos sushi isla finalmente guardo realizar. Alta Mar, cucina italiana del Mediterráneo, abri su portanan na Aruba. Alta Mar, su fabulous swing executive chefs, da contanos.
We work together since long time and we do traveling, so we are here to put together our energy and we build the menu and plus we build the team, so we check also wine and all the stuff and we are ready to present to Aruba this new concept which is simple and tasty and is our food and we hope people enjoy and they come here to taste our kitchen.
So we designed the menu specific for this restaurant to be feature food from the Mediterranean Sea with an Italian influence. So very light and very simple food and very well presented. When we first focus on the project, we see what Aruba was as a food scene, you know. And we see there is a lot of commercial items, commercial food. Everything look kind of the same. There is no, from my point of view, you know, not serious different restaurant. There is different menu, different way to think about food. That's why Alta Mar have this special menu, which is simple, but with a lot of different items that can attract locals and tourists.
Alta Mar restaurant lo cautivavo dentro sentido.
To bring different food experience to the island. That is what all about. Of course, we play with fresh food. We improvise the menu with delicatessen pasta, a light and healthy appetizer. It's a combination. So, what's the experience you're gonna get in Alta Mar is unique for the island of Aruba.
Además de Alta Mar, su exquisita cuisine, esfergo el restaurante aquí magnífico da 3 secondi con e, da uno con lo che da cubo pa sempre.
The restaurant look beautiful. It's all the furniture, all the color, all the ambience is very interesting, it's attractive. So when you have that and you match with the nice food, nice menu, you know there is a good chance you're gonna be successful. The ambience look terrific. You can see from the street, and when you are inside, you feel special because you can see overview all the street, all the hotels. It's great ambience.
Live entertainment, happy hours, specials y hopi más. Alta Mar situata la Hacienda Mall, abrito il dia for di 5 da tardi, pa ceso sordi a noci, ta invitavo.
Siamo pronti per voi, vi aspettiamo ad Alta Mar, il ristorante è aperto. And you can do in English if you want.
Papiamento.
Papiamento.
Okay, this is papiamento. So I want you guys to come and discover us, Alta Mar. It's a really special experience for you. Just every day you want to come in, the door is open for you. Come and experience Alta Mar.
We're gonna cook for you.
He's gonna cook for you.
Para reservación, llama libremente na 280-0080.
Trend Alert con Tessa Peters.